Welcome back to the Busy Babe and everyone. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday and enjoyed the new year. I got a little adventure planned for today here now. I haven't been in to check on the cottage in a while, so after having a few good windstorms and snowstorms, so we can check on everything, make sure everything's alright. Gas up the old sled there, pack up a few wrenches, and see what the fuck happens. Alright, let's go. Alright, we're just waiting for the sled to warm up here now. Got about a half a foot of fresh powder last night. Pretty fun ride. About a 30-kilometer round trip. Should be back in 2 or 3 hours. Depends on the shagging around it is. Alright, let's jump on it. Ready to go. Alright, we're about halfway in there now, and feel like a hooking up and under the sled. I don't know what's going on, so I gotta check that out. It's like she got no low end torque, so I'm gonna change the battery too, or the belt, sorry, while I'm here, and get on to go again. This is the kind of terrain you got to deal with in the winter time. We're going that way. Alright, so I'm not sure if people are using the lake or no. So I'm going to go down around and creep around the shore. Across the lake knocks almost a kilometer off the journey, so alright, let's go down and check it out. Alright, so I don't see any canoe tracks out there, so I'll just take the time for it. I know this lake is good. It's not a lot of water in the beach, so you can get it. Alright, here we go. Alright, so made it here. All in one piece. Put the old sled through her paces. Everything seems to be working good now. Seems a lot better with that new belt on there. I don't know if you can see it behind me. I got some damage. I got a lot of shingles going there. Not sure how many. We'll go inside and have a look. Alright, so here we are inside. I can get a better view of the damage in here. You're not supposed to see any light through your roof. I got about 4 or 5 bundles gone. A bunch down outside the dormer, and a bunch along the ridge. Well, there's a bit of snow getting in there, a bit drifting in through the door there. Bit blown in through that bit of lumber I nailed up there. Cap is gone. Or I had that flange covered up, that's gone. Like I said, there's nothing I can do with it right now. So, spring now when it warms up a bit. It's safe to get up on the roof there. I'll get up and I'll haul some shingles in on the sled and try to get up and fix it. I'll eventually get back at this place now, guys. Alright, so we'll check on the rest of the gear I got in there now, and maybe I'm going to drop up and see the hermit, Big Jim, on the way out. And you see some shingles scattered over your roof is not a good sign. Alright, beautiful day on the rock. Alright, so the weather's starting to get a little bit bad. It's starting to snow, starting to blow here now. A little bit stormy, so heading on out. Till next time, guys, take it easy.